In this video, we're reviewing the Chase Sapphire Reserve Business Card, one of the most talked about premium business cards on the market. But is it really worth the steep annual fee, and who should consider it? So let's go ahead and break it down. So what is the Chase Sapphire Reserve Business Card? It's a high-end rewards credit card designed for business owners who travel often. The main appeal is premium travel perks, flexible points, and also strong protection benefits. Now let's go ahead and talk about rewards. So you're going to earn at least 3 times points on travel and dining, plus 1 times on everything else. Points go into the Chase Ultimate Reserves, which are super flexible. You can redeem for cashback, book travel directly, or transfer to airline or hotel partners like United, Southwest, and Hyatt. This makes the points more valuable than your typical cashback card. When it comes to perks, this card is packed. You'll get an annual $300 travel credit card, priority pass lounge access, global entry or TSA pre-check reimbursement, and also strong travel protections like trip cancellation insurance. For frequent travelers, these perks can add up quickly. But let's talk about the trade-offs. The annual fee is high, sitting around $550 per year. To get your money's worth, you'll need to actually use the travel card, credit card, lounge access, and redemption partners. If you don't travel much, the value drops fast. Also, for business owners who mostly want cash back on everyday spending, a flat rate business card might be simpler. So, who benefits most from this card? If you're a business owner who travels often, entertains clients, and wants flexible rewards you can maximize, the Chase Sapphire Reserve Business Card can be a game changer. But if your business spending is mostly local or you don't travel often, you'll probably be better off with a lower fee business rewards card. Now, to wrap things up, so the Chase Sapphire Reserve Business Card is best for frequent travelers who can take advantage of all the premium perks. It's not cheap, but if you're maximizing the benefits, the value can outweigh the fee.